How to fix BMO Banking app login issues. So first of all, once you open the app, make sure that you enter your correct user ID and correct password. Now, in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password link that you see. Now, once you come over here, enter your user ID first and then choose identification number. That is, you can choose Social Security number or tax identification number. And then if you tap on Continue, you might get a method to verify your account through SMS or a phone call. Now after this, make sure that you create a strong password for your account. Make sure that your password consists of letters as well as numbers. Now in another step, launch any web browser on your mobile device. I'm going to launch Google Chrome. From here, let's search for BMO support. From here, go ahead and tap on the official website of BMO Banking. Now once you come over here, you'll see Contact Us. Then under that, you can see various options. You can go to Online Support Tool or you can directly call the Customer Support Care team. I'm going to go to Online Support Tool for now. Now once you come over here, make sure you choose the option of Getting into Online or Mobile Banking. Now after this, make sure that you follow all the process in order to fix your issue. Now on the last step, open Google Play Store or App Store. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. From here, let's go to Search. And then let's search for BMO Banking. Then tap on the application shown. Now over here, instead of the option of Open, if you see the option of Update, tap on it, and once you update the application, all the app errors and bug issues will be fixed. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.